Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial session that how to apply for the admissions Jnanakshi Vidya Mandir, the online courses. Now, just for today, just come to the home page and click your apply now and go to the admission. Then just fill up with your information. Name of the student is XYZ, male or the female, and just select with the date of birth. And next, place from the place XYZ of XYZ and Taluk, Elanka, and districts Mangaluru. Instead of XYZ, let me apply for the Titan, place of birth, Badal. And town is Elanka. Taluk is also Elanka. Religion is Muslim. The caste is XYZ. And nationality is in Adaram. 0000. Exact 12 numbers should be there. Email address XYZ. Instead of, we will be having the OTP verification, so please enter the valid email address. Example, info@sjvm.org. Parent details, first name, middle name, and the last name. First name, middle name, and the last name. The qualification of the parent. What is the qualification? 10 standard degree or graduate. Others are the numbers same as for 12 digits of the Aadhaar number and phone number of 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while giving your mobile number, while taking into the admission, there you can creating the user credentials, you can change your mobile number there. And the occupation, what is an occupation? Teacher, lecturer, or anything. Same follows within Wado. Same follows within Wado. Same as for occupation. Now, household. What is the annual income of the house? We should say, for example, 1 lakh rupees. What is it? How many members are there? Well, means who are dependent, who is not going to the work. With whom does the student stay with? The parents or the guardian or hostel rented room must be boarding. Should select it. And number of sisters. How many number of sisters they have? 1 or 2. Number of brothers, number of younger brothers, number of younger sisters. And admitting to which class, you should just select admitting to which class. Then you should just select the languages, what you want. You should select Kannada, English, language Hindi. Then the amount for now, you just take up a 0. Or else enter any number you want, but this will be not applicable. This will be not the original. I request that the above mentioned people be admitted to SJVM school and I shall pay the completed fee of. You just take up the random number. The fee will be given. And you just enter any one of the parent name or who is filling up the form. Either the father or the mother. Just click on the submit application. After clicking the submit application, the application will be done with it. Thank you for watching this tutorial of applying for the SJVM. See you in the next video. Until then, see you at the visits. This website is completely built and managed by Sapta Soul Digital Solutions. And we will be here to guide you for each and every step. For website creation, please call Sapta Soul. Connect at Sapta Soul. Bye bye.